Hey everyone, it's time to watch the Tech Guide review of the HomePod Mini. Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and today we're talking about this little guy, the HomePod Mini. This is the latest addition to the HomePod family. Before we dive into the review, let's check out our unboxing. The new HomePod Mini. Apple's new HomePod speaker, and the box shows all sides of the product as well as the top. So that's what the top looks like. That's what the side looks like. And you've also got the description on the bottom. This is the space grey version of the HomePod Mini, and let's crack the seal here. Okay, the shrink wrap is off. You can have a better look at the box there without the reflections. So it's much smaller than the HomePod, the original HomePod. There's the top. So let's open up this box. Okay, there it is, and it's sitting right at the top there. And there it is. Fits in the palm of my hand. There's the size of it. There's the display on top. The HomePod Mini might be small. It's 8.5 centimeters tall, but it has all the same features as its big brother, the original HomePod. So it's got amazing sound. It can be used as an intelligent assistant and can also control things in your smart home through HomeKit. Design-wise, the HomePod is covered by the same fabric that you'll find on the original HomePod, and it is available also in space grey and white, just like the original. In fact, let's bring in the original and just compare the two. This is the original HomePod, so that just gives you an idea of the size there. So same material that's used on the original HomePod as well as on the HomePod Mini. So that's just a size comparison there. 8.5 centimeters tall, the HomePod Mini, right next to its big brother, the original HomePod. The HomePod Mini fits in like another member of the family, so is suitable if you want to set up multi-room audio, so you can have the HomePod scattered around your home. Very easy to set up as well. You simply bring the HomePod Mini close to your iPhone and you will see an image come up on the home screen, and then that starts the pairing process. From there, it also allows you to designate what room it's located in. This is important because knowing the location of the HomePod Mini and the HomePod allows you then to command them through Siri. Now let's talk about the audio quality of the HomePod Mini. Very hard for you to appreciate it in this video, but take our word for it. The sound is quite amazing from such a small device. And of course, a lot of the DNA aboard the HomePod Mini comes from its big brother, the HomePod. The HomePod Mini is powered by the Apple S5 chip, and that drives computational audio, which actually makes 180 calculations per second using a special algorithm to optimize the audio quality based on where it's located in your home, whether it's on an open table, on a desk, or on a bookshelf. Apple has designed a full range driver to deliver really satisfying bass and nice crisp high frequencies as well. Apple also designed a special acoustic waveguide which drives the sound down and out the bottom of the HomePod Mini, so you get this clear, consistent 360-degree sound. If you decide to invest in two HomePod Minis, you can set them up as a left and right pair. All you need to do is bring them together. They actually detect each other and then ask you if you'd like to set them up as left and right. Naturally, the HomePod Mini brings you even closer to your music. If you have Apple Music, you can access the entire library through the HomePod Mini just by using your voice and asking Siri. So you can ask for songs by name, you can ask for artists, you can even select your music by genre as well. Later this year, we're going to see a new feature called proximity control. And that basically means that if you're playing something on your iPhone, you simply bring it close to the HomePod and it will hand off that song to the speaker. Of course, the HomePod Mini is also an intelligent assistant, and you can ask Siri any number of things. Let's give it a try. Hey Siri, what's the tallest mountain in the world?
According to Wikipedia, it's Mount Everest.
We knew that one. Let's try something else. Hey Siri, flip a coin.
It's heads.
So heads or tails, you decide. Hey Siri, what's 15 times 45?
15 times 45 is 675.
Hey Siri, how do you say hello in Mandarin?
In Mandarin Chinese, hello is 你好.
Ni hao. Okay, we've shown Siri is quite intelligent, but it's also smart as well. The HomePod Mini can be used to control smart devices in your home and also set up smart routines as well. So not only can you control individual products, you can also set up scenes. So you might want to have all of your lights turn on in the morning. You might have your good morning routine. You might say, hey Siri, good morning. And then all the lights turn on. Or the opposite, you might say, hey Siri, good night, and turn all the lights off. You could even have a scenario where you simply announce, hey Siri, I'm home, and then it turns on your TV, your lights, and whatever else you want to be turned on when you get home. Another example of a smart product that can be controlled with the HomePod Mini is the new NanoLeaf A19 smart bulb. This uses thread technology. It's an alternative to Bluetooth, more like mesh networking technology that offers a really reliable connection and responsiveness. Okay, let's give it a try. Hey Siri, turn the studio light on.
Okay, the NanoLeaf A19 5ZW is on.
Not only can you turn it on and off, but you can also adjust the color just by asking for it as well. Hey Siri, turn the studio light red.
Okay, red it is.
There we go. Hey Siri, turn the studio light blue.
Blue coming right up.
Hey Siri, turn the studio light off.
Okay, the NanoLeaf A19 5ZW is off.
One of our favorite new features of the HomePod Mini is Intercom. This allows you to make announcements to individual HomePods in your house or to all of them at once. So you might need to announce that dinner's ready, or that you need to leave the house at a certain time, or anything you like can now be done through the HomePod. The Intercom feature works not only on the HomePod Mini but also on the original HomePod. Both need to be updated to the latest firmware, and your iPhones need to be running iOS 14.2. You can make announcements through the HomePod speaker itself. Hey Siri, Intercom.
Go ahead.
Hey everyone, be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, intercom to everyone in Fenech.
Or through the HomeKit app on your iPhone. Time to go. It's time to go. And even through your Apple Watch. Dinner's ready, everyone. Dinner's ready, everyone. And when the messages are received, they can be received either through the nearest HomePod or to your iPhone and even through your AirPods. This is a test for all devices in the house. So that's the HomePod Mini priced at 149 Australian dollars. It might be small, but it certainly offers a big sound and is also really useful around your home for controlling your other smart devices, accessing your content, and also using that cool intercom feature as well. You can read our full review at techguide.com.au. Thanks for watching.